Welcome to our tutorial about the Rest tool. Let's start by creating a rectangle. Now let's dimension it. Click on the Dimension tool. Let's make this dimension 2 inches. OK. And this dimension will be 1/8 of an inch. 0.125. OK. Let's finish the sketch. Activate the Extrude command. Let's extrude 1 inch in both directions. Click OK. Now I'm going to create a work plane at a 45-degree angle to this face. I'll begin by placing the work points right here and another one right here. Let's create the work axis using these points. And lastly, here's the plane. Angle, we'll enter 135 degrees. Click OK. All right, here is our new work plane. Let's create a sketch on this plane. First, I'll project the work points on my sketch. Now I'll create a line between these 2 points. Right-click, done. Next, a circle with the center at the midpoint of this line. And let's dimension it. We'll make the diameter 1/2 inch, 0.5. Click OK. And we're ready to finish the sketch. The Rest tool creates a flat area that projects outside the part or body. Its icon is located on the Plastics panel. If you don't see the Plastics panel, right-click on the ribbon and select it from the Panels submenu. Let's left-click on the tool to activate it. Open the dialog window. The profile we created is pre-selected. Click here to change the direction of the rest. We can set the thickness inside, outside, or in both directions. Let's check out the More tab. Under Landing Options, we can choose Distance or To Surface. Let's offset the rest 1/8 of an inch in the negative direction. Basically, the rest will move 1/8 of an inch away from the sketch plane. OK, let's return the value to 0. Now let's try changing the landing taper. Enter 10 degrees here. The landing taper is the taper that's below the rest. The clearance taper, this is the taper that's above the rest. Let's change that to 10 degrees as well. OK. Now we'll right-click and hide our work plane. Visibility. Let's observe the results. In this example, I created the rest on a flat surface, but you can create it on a curved surface as well. And this concludes our tutorial about the Rest tool.